Now we will have a look at an example which involves determining the value of A and B given information for a linear recurrence relation. So for example, for this problem, Gary saved the same amount of money each month with a fixed rate savings accounts, and no withdrawals were allowed during a fixed term. So the fixed rate of interest was paid monthly, and the amount in his bank, the total amount, at the end of 3 consecutive months were 402, 642.2, and 906.32 pounds respectively. So what we need to determine here is what was the interest rate and the amount that he saved each month. So in order to solve this problem, based on the information provided, we need to do some consideration. Expressed as un plus 1, aun plus b. And we have to decide what is a and b. A is the compound interest, okay, and as a decimal, and b is the monthly savings. Okay, so you can make an assumption that your U1, because it's 3 consecutive months, so it's U1 402, U2 642.20, and U3 is 906.42. From the recurrence relation, UN plus 1A, UN plus B, we can write an equation for U2 and U1. You cannot assume that your 402 is U0. Please take note, or initial amount invested, because that is what we are trying to find. Okay, so we get two equations based on U2. U2 is AU1 plus B, and U3 is AU2 plus B. Okay, so you put in the relevant information and you get two linear equations. Okay, in order to solve these two linear equations, we will solve it as a pair of simultaneous equations, as you can see over here. Okay, and finally you will be able to solve either A or B first. So in this case, I chose to solve A. So A is 1.1, and it's logical because 1.1, it means the total amount that will be saved. So it has to be more than 1, because 1 represents 100%, which is the initial saving from the previous month, and 0.1 would be the interest. Okay, so in this case, it will give you B as 200, and this B is the initial, B is the fixed amount that is saved monthly. So in this case, it's 200. So since A is 1.1, that equates to compound interest of 110%, okay, and an increase of 10% every month. All right. Hence, the monthly savings is 200, and the interest rate is 10%. Because 1.1 means 1 is 100% from the initial amount, and 0.1 would be the interest rate, which will translate to interest rate of 10%.